Morning, I'm a mess, but I'm going to see my best friend today, and I'm running late, so I don't know why I'm vlogging when I'm running so late, but ow, go on shoes, please go on, don't need to fit me, ouch. Okay, so we're going out for a walk today, so she said to me bring waterproofs and some wellies, but I'm putting my Docs on, or what should I say, Eleanor's Otibek boots. So these are going to need a wash before I give them to Eleanor. I can't find my wellies, so these are going to have to do. Okay, so I've set off, it's pouring down and I'm going to get drenched today, but got all my old horrible clothes on. But yes, I'm just setting off for the bus now and I'm vlogging in these shoes. Oh well, my camera's getting wet, so I'm going to have to go. This is Lindsay, this is my best friend. We're gonna go jumping puddles. Nope, there. You ready? Come on. They were a bit disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. Major. Well, I've got footage. I need the filming malarkey is what I just said. Lindsay has just spotted the biggest puddle ever! We're gonna jump in this thing. I'm so excited. We are going to jump in the lake. Might as well be. It might as well be a lake. I put the other camera on so that it don't ruin my phone. Look at it. I don't even know if you can see it. There we go. I'm just going to run for it like a nutter. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go! Go! Dude, it's like you're going to drown in there. That's awesome. My feet are so, like, my feet are puddles. We're coming from one side. There's a car coming in my trousers are falling down. Oh my gosh. Just got a bit down. I am a bit soaked. I am practically walking in a pool. She's only tiny, so she went up to about here in that.
Like that song for kids.
Oh yeah! Where he jumps come up to the middle.
Can't remember it.
No, that's a shame. We're gonna go to the shop, buy sweets, go back, try it out. Now I'm doing a video of you taking a photo of the snail. We found the snail, my friend. What should we call him? Barry. Norman the snail. Oh my gosh, yeah. Norman. Ew. I'm loving it. I'm soaked, but I'm loving it. I am freezing. I've got back and I've wrapped up and I've had my tea and a cup of tea and I'm still cold. So probably going to turn into flu, let's be honest. But if I do get flu, then at least I had a good day anyway. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please click subscribe and I shall see you for my next video. Bye guys.